If you are over 60, here's something you need to know. Every year, adults can lose up to 1 to 2% of their muscle mass if they don't actively protect it. That may not sound like much, but think about it. Over 5 years, that can mean losing up to 10% of your strength. Over 10 years, that's 20%, enough to turn climbing a flight of stairs, carrying groceries, or even getting up from a chair into a challenge. Now, the great news is this: you can still build muscle at any age. Yes, even in your 60s, 70s, or 80s. You don't need expensive supplements, you don't need complicated diets, and you don't need to spend hours in the gym. What you do need is protein, enough of it, and the right type that your body can use effectively. In today's video, I'm going to show you 7 cheap and powerful protein drinks that can help you build muscle faster, regain your energy, and feel younger than ever. These are easy to make, affordable, and perfect for seniors who want strength, independence, and vitality. So grab a notebook, because by the end of this video, you'll know exactly which drinks to add to your daily routine for the biggest benefits. Before we dive into the drinks, let's talk about why protein is so essential, especially after the age of 60. When you're young, your body can take in protein and use it efficiently to build muscle. But as we get older, something called anabolic resistance kicks in. This means your muscles don't respond as well to smaller amounts of protein. In other words, your body actually needs more protein per meal to trigger muscle growth than it did when you were 20 or 30. Without enough protein, your muscles shrink. This condition is called sarcopenia, and it's one of the leading causes of weakness, falls, fractures, and loss of independence in older adults. The good news is, sarcopenia is not inevitable. Research shows that with enough protein, combined with light resistance training like lifting small weights, resistance bands, or even body weight exercises, you can reverse muscle loss and actually grow stronger, even in your 60s, 70s, and beyond. Think about it like this. Protein is the construction material for your body. If you don't supply enough bricks, your body can't build or repair the house. But if you provide steady, high-quality protein, the body has what it needs to rebuild stronger muscles, improve balance, speed up recovery, and even support brain function. And here is the best part. Protein drinks are one of the easiest ways to get that boost. Unlike heavy meals, they're quick to prepare, easy to digest, and you can have them any time of day, even as a snack, a breakfast option, or after a walk. Now let's dive into the 7 cheap protein drinks you can start using right away. 1. Skim milk, the classic muscle builder. Let's start with one of the most traditional and widely available protein sources: milk. Skim milk is incredibly affordable and packed with high-quality protein. Just 1 cup gives you around 8 grams of protein. What makes milk special is that it contains both whey and casein protein. Whey is digested quickly, giving your muscles a fast supply of amino acids right after exercise. Casein digests slowly, keeping a steady stream of protein flowing into your muscles for hours. This combination makes milk one of the most effective recovery drinks. How to use it? You can drink it plain, add it to oatmeal, or blend it with fruit for a quick smoothie. If you're lactose intolerant, lactose-free milk or fortified alternatives are widely available too. One study from the American Journal of Clinical Nutrition found that older adults who drank milk after resistance exercise gained more lean muscle compared to those who did not. And guess what? It's one of the cheapest drinks you can buy. No fancy supplements needed. 2. Soy milk, the plant-based powerhouse. Next up, let's talk about soy milk. If you're lactose intolerant, vegan, or just prefer plant-based options, soy milk is your best friend. Soy milk contains all 9 essential amino acids, making it a complete protein. 1 cup provides around 7 to 8 grams of protein. Research shows soy protein can be just as effective as animal-based protein in supporting muscle growth when consumed in adequate amounts. Soy milk is also naturally low in saturated fat and contains isoflavones, plant compounds that may help support heart health and bone strength. That's a big plus for seniors. How to use it. Pour a glass of soy milk with your breakfast, or use it in smoothies and protein shakes. It blends well with fruits, oats, or even cocoa powder for a rich flavor. 3. Greek yogurt smoothie, thick and powerful. If you want a protein drink that feels more like a treat, then Greek yogurt is the way to go. Just 1 cup of Greek yogurt can provide 15-20 grams of protein, much higher than regular yogurt. It's also packed with calcium and probiotics, which improve gut health and digestion, something very important as we age. Recipe idea. Blend 1 cup of Greek yogurt with half a banana, a handful of berries, and a splash of milk or soy milk. You've got yourself a creamy, delicious smoothie with 20+ grams of protein. This drink not only helps with muscle building, but also supports bone health, reduces inflammation, and promotes a healthier gut microbiome, all essential for seniors. 4. Peanut butter protein shake. Affordable and filling peanut butter isn't just tasty, it's a powerhouse of protein and healthy fats. 2 tablespoons of peanut butter provide about 7 grams of protein. When blended with a cup of milk and a banana, you get around 15 grams of protein in 1 glass. Peanut butter shakes are not only filling, but also provide long-lasting energy. The healthy fats keep you satisfied, which is perfect if you're trying to maintain a healthy weight. Recipe. Blend 1 cup milk, or soy milk, 2 tablespoons peanut butter, half a banana, and some ice. For extra protein, you can even add a spoonful of Greek yogurt. This drink is cheap, delicious, and gives you both protein and energy for the day. 5. Oatmeal protein drink, fiber and fuel. Oats are often thought of as carbs, but when combined with protein-rich liquids, they make a fantastic balanced drink. Oats contain about 5 grams of protein per cup, plus they're loaded with fiber. When blended with milk, soy milk, or yogurt, you get a nutritious drink that provides both protein and slow-digesting carbs. Recipe idea. Blend 1 cup oats, 1 cup milk, and a spoonful of peanut butter or Greek yogurt. This makes a thick, filling drink with around 15-20 grams of protein plus fiber for digestion. Oats also support heart health and help regulate blood sugar, which is important for seniors with diabetes risk. 6. Cottage cheese smoothie, the underrated gem. Cottage cheese may not be the first thing you think of when it comes to drinks, but hear me out. Cottage cheese is soft, easy to digest, and incredibly high in protein. Just half a cup gives you 14 grams of protein. It's rich in casein protein, which digests slowly and keeps your muscles fed for hours. Recipe. Blend half a cup of cottage cheese with pineapple chunks or peaches, plus a splash of milk. You'll get a creamy, protein-rich smoothie that tastes like dessert but fuels your muscles. This drink is perfect as a nighttime snack because the slow-digesting casein protein helps your body repair muscles while you sleep. 7. Homemade lentil protein drink, the Budget King. Finally, let's talk about one of the cheapest protein drinks you can make. Lentils. Lentils are loaded with plant-based protein, offering around 18 grams of protein per cooked cup. They're also packed with fiber, iron, and folate, nutrients that support both muscle and overall health. Recipe. Cook red or yellow lentils until soft, then blend them with milk or water, add a bit of honey or fruit for sweetness, and you've got a surprisingly good protein drink. Lentils cost just a fraction of what protein powders do, but they provide just as much benefit for your muscles. Now that you know the 7 drinks, here's how to get the most out of them. Timing matters. Drink protein within 30 minutes after exercise. This is when your muscles are most ready to absorb nutrients. For seniors, even light resistance training like walking with weights, using resistance bands, or doing chair exercises can make a big difference. Spread your protein throughout the day. Don't eat all your protein at dinner. Instead, aim for 20-30 grams of protein per meal or snack. For example, a Greek yogurt smoothie at breakfast, a peanut butter shake as a snack, and a cottage cheese drink in the evening. Stay hydrated. Your muscles need water to process protein effectively. Dehydration can reduce muscle recovery and energy levels. Combine with strength exercises. Remember, protein alone won't build muscle. Pair these drinks with simple, safe exercises like bodyweight squats, resistance band pulls, or light dumbbell lifts. Even 15 minutes a day can dramatically boost your results. Here's the bottom line. Being over 60 does not mean getting weaker. With the right nutrition and a little daily movement, you can build muscle, improve balance, and stay independent for years to come. And you don't need fancy supplements or expensive powders. Just add these 7 cheap protein drinks into your routine and watch how your strength and energy return. Which one of these drinks are you most excited to try? Let me know in the comments below. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe for more senior health tips, and share this video with a friend who also wants to stay strong after 60. Remember, age is just a number. With the right fuel, your body can stay powerful, vibrant, and full of life at 60, 70, or even 80.